Menteri ba kajala Meghalaya Conrad ke sangma ulai thu bolai kendu yu menteri badai pe yaknat kampo yeng ke sarkar India u Amit Shah hakba ula panjing rap pisa nak benta ke jingshah ktah kajala nak daw ke jing slapjur hakitiyo baladem haba pentip yakani hakilat patai khubor hadien ke jelang kenhun menteri hak arnyo trip juliau arjar war u menteri ba ulai thu ba Amit Shah ulong ba ïakheiñ ïadiah lang daka kenhun nak sarkar India bat ke sarkar Meghalaya daka boong ba ke jingpen kre kilaya sakman ulapan pau ba kisurok kidegi ba ktah nak jingjur slam bat kawa semsang harilum garu kalakiu shadu laipo hadu saupo pun nak ba julong bat omla ban mudur hadu karnu ke jingjur slam.
Initially, when we had faced the floods, and I had made a visit around that same time to Delhi, I had met the Honorable Home Minister and I had requested him for help. He had further said that to get a true assessment, let us have a joint team from the center and the state, and let us ensure we assess the entire situation. So the process is on, and of course, flood situation, the rains have reduced. We have seen the levels go down. We have seen restoration of power to a large extent being made in most parts, but the road connectivity is still a major issue. And I've seen, as I said earlier, you are all aware that I've visited these locations. I've not been able to go only to the Siju, to Rongara Muhishkola area, which I'm told is the worst affected. And it's completely cut off from both sides again. So apart from that, I've seen most of it, and I have not seen this sort of destruction, at least in my recent memory, in terms of what I've seen in this particular floods, I should say flash floods that happened. Because when I visited the locations, the Simsang River went up approximately 30 to 40 feet higher than its original level. And it happened in a matter of 3 hours. Now, for that to happen, you can imagine the amount of rain that must have fallen in that area. So it has been quite destructive. And the process, as I said, is on. It will take few days or weeks to really come to a final conclusion. But the process of restoring things and ensuring that all possible help, including delivering food and essentials through helicopters and through the Air Force, are being done. And I must thank all the armed forces, the Air Force, the BSF. Everybody has really, cooperated in this difficult situation. But yes, as I said, the process is on, and it may take some time, but we're hopeful that slowly and steadily we'll be able to get things back to normalcy.